Now we get our countdown of the top weather events across western and central Wyoming for the year 2024. This is number 5. You can see it's the Landspout tornado that occurred in Thermopolis back on September 9th. Show you the meteorological setup for this. A couple of maps here. This is the surface map. Wyoming's right here. I'll draw it in for you. You see kind of this burnt orange color coming down here through the central part of the state. This is what meteorologists call a short wave trough. You get convergence along these. That's what helps produce thunderstorms. We go up to about 3.5 miles in the sky, 500 millibar chart as we call that. You see it right there as well, so it's pretty well defined. And that's what the thunderstorms fired along. Now, so these are really hard to warn on sometimes, especially in Wyoming. I'll show you why in a minute. A couple of radar images here. This is from 2023. It was the supercell thunderstorm that produced a tornado out to the east and Midwest. You see a very well defined hail core right here. In this area right here, you can see where the echoes kind of died off a little bit. This is what meteorologists call a BWER. You know, it sounds like a weird name. It's an acronym. We love acronyms in the federal government. Anyway, bounded weak echo region is an area where there's rising air. That's where tornadoes tend to form. Now, I'll show you the radar image from the Thermopolis one. You don't see much there. You can see there's some enhanced echoes here, but really just look at that. You're thinking maybe there's some rain in there, maybe some small hail. That's about it. Now, the reason why this occurred, I'll show you right here. These are some odds around the area. Thermopolis, downtown Thermopolis, right here. It's to the west, obviously, and also down here is this Boise Reservoir. We have a radar. We have a weather station there, I should say. Look at the winds here. Now the wind barbs right here, these right here, these point toward the direction the wind's coming from. This is the north wind coming here. This is normal on a warm day. You can see Owl Creek Mountains are right here. These tend to be upslope. And also down here, Boise again upsloping against the mountains here. Now what I think happened here was maybe there's some southern winds coming out of the canyon. Wind River Canyon's right here. Maybe that produced just enough different wind directions here. That's how you get shear. That's how you get the atmosphere turn. That may have been just enough to fire up the tornado for a few minutes there. So as we look at the summary of this, went from about 2:19 to 2:22 p.m. It didn't last very long. It went right through downtown Thermopolis. You can see there's some stuff blowing around here in this picture right here. And it caused around $50,000 in damage, mainly to car windows and metal roofing. Now there is a video of this. I couldn't get rights to show this here, but I'll leave a link down at the bottom if you want to take a visual of this tornado. Well, number 4 and number 3 coming up tomorrow.